We'll guide you through how to run a giveaway using Streamlabs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Streamlabs OBS on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, navigate to the left sidebar and click on the CloudBot tab. This is where you can manage all your interactive features, including giveaways. Ensure that CloudBot is toggled on. Once inside the CloudBot menu, go to the Giveaways section. Here, you can set up a new giveaway by clicking on the Add Giveaway button. A new window will pop up where you can customize your giveaway details. Enter a name for your giveaway. This is how it'll appear to your viewers. In the description field, provide information about the prize and any rules you want participants to follow. Set the duration by choosing how long you want the giveaway to run. You can set it for a specific number of minutes, hours, or even days. Choose an entry method. Typically, you can select between keyword and ticket entry. For keyword entry, viewers enter a specific word or phrase to join. For ticket entry, participants can use loyalty points to purchase tickets for more chances to win. Adjust the subscriber luck if you want to give subscribers a better chance of winning. Finally, click Create to start your giveaway. Your viewers can now participate by following the instructions you've set. Monitor the giveaway progress in real time through your Streamlabs dashboard. When the giveaway ends, you can easily pick a winner by clicking the Pick Winner button. The winner will be announced automatically in your chat, and you can then arrange how to get the prize to them. Running a giveaway can really engage your audience and make your streams more interactive. Don't forget to announce the giveaway during your stream so that everyone has an opportunity to participate. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.